the bottom. Can you see that on the glare? Leaning forward is huge on this machine. That. Earlier I was saying how she needs to have her toes flexed, toes out, and you can see, wait, right there. She is a glute. That's the hamstring. Oh wait, your glutes aren't firing right now. I don't know if the sensor, is it still on?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh, there it goes. Okay, there it goes.
Should they?
Whoa, that is a crazy hamstring. You have like total isolation. That's your max hamstring you fit all day. So we've got RDLs here. We're working on her, yep. She should have like a fist right underneath her chin.
There we go.
There we go. Look at that max.
All the way, wow.
Yeah.
That's
So
great.
when she had her chin up, she was contracting her lower back too much, and it was less activated. Okay, so watch this hip thrust. It's on the. Okay, now put it on your hips. Whoa. Tons more activation. Now, if she had the band on, she'd be hitting marks to this side. Okay, here's with the band. You can see it's going even more max activation. Drive up at the top a little bit higher. There we go, right there.